In this video, I will tell you that how to whiten teeth naturally and fast from yellow at home in one day without baking soda and lemon. Your pearly white lost their charm due to a number of factors. While there are many procedures and products out there that can help you whiten your teeth, a majority of them can prove to be heavy on your pocket. This remedy can help you achieve whiter teeth naturally. So to make this remedy, first ingredient you will need is activated charcoal. Activated charcoal is negatively charged. It burns to the positively charged plaque on the tooth surface and is absorbed by it, thereby whitening your teeth. Just add 1 tablespoon of activated charcoal in a bowl. The thing you will need: coconut oil. Coconut oil offers multiple benefits for oral health. It can help reduce plaque formation and plaque-induced gingivitis. Hence, it may also help assist in whitening your teeth. Now add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil to it. The last ingredient of this magical teeth whitening remedy is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar exhibits bleaching properties that can help in whitening your teeth and removing stains. Now add few drops of apple cider vinegar to this mixture and mix all ingredients very well. Brush your teeth with 1-2 minutes. Rinse your mouth with water. You may do this once daily for best results. I hope you found this video helpful. For any further queries, get in touch with me through the comment box below. Thank you.